Planning to explore Gran Canaria, but don't want to carry your luggage around all day? Radical Storage offers a quick and secure way to store your bags while you enjoy the island. In this video, I'll guide you on how to deposit your luggage at a storage point in Gran Canaria using Radical Storage, a trusted platform with ensured, secure storage options. Radical Storage partners with local businesses such as hotels, shops, and cafes, ensuring your luggage is safely stored and fully insured while you explore. You can search for Radical Storage online, but beware of phishing sites. To ensure safety, use the secure link in the video description to access the official Radical Storage website. Once there, simply type Gran Canaria in the search bar, and a list of available storage locations will appear. Choose a convenient location, whether it's near popular attractions, transit hubs, or downtown Gran Canaria. Next, select your preferred drop-off and pick-up times and proceed to payment. Radical Storage guarantees secure online transactions for peace of mind. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your chosen storage point. When you arrive, show the reference to the staff, and they'll securely store your luggage. And that's it. Now you can explore Gran Canaria worry-free, knowing your belongings are safe with Radical Storage. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.